Hello friends. In this video we're going to see how to write zeros and country codes before numbers in Excel. Most of the time once we want to type zeros in Microsoft Excel or numbers with the zeros just before the number, the zeros disappear as just try to type the next number. Let me for example type maybe just 078 and something. Once I just click here another cell, the zero here, the zero that I put here disappears. How to solve this problem? How to make the zeros here appear in the list that I have? And remember that once you just want to number these, maybe you just want to type serial numbers with maybe you just want to start 0001. And once you just go to next 0002, once you click here, this number, the zeros that I put here before, one disappears. Just disappear. How to solve this problem? This is what you're going to see in this video. Let me try to type the serial numbers here on the left side in column A. Once I just type 1 and here, once I try to put a 0, 0, 001, you can see here there is the zero here. I'll just you can see them. Once I type here to put the second the next number, the zeros disappear. Now let me just type 1 and I type here 2, and let me select. To solve this problem, need to select this, the 1 to 2, I right click and then I go to format cells. You right click and you go to format cells. I click here and then I go to custom. I click on custom. By default it was general, but now I go to custom and I try to delete here general, and here is where I'm going to put zeros or the code that I want to type. And here let me just type 0, and if I type 0 here, you don't see it here appearing. You can see it still have 1, while the number that I put here must be appearing here. And here what I do, I have to put the numbers by counting it, just greater than the number that I have here. Once I put a 0, it's a single number, and this one is a single number. I need to put another 0. You can see now zeros start appearing. I put another 0. You put the number of zeros that you want, and here click OK. Once I click OK, you can see I have 0, 0, 01 and 002. And once I scroll down to copy the formula, you can see you have to have just from 001 up to 0010. Here you have we have 3 zeros, and here down you have 2 zeros because here you have 10. And you can just go on and continue with this numbering using these serial numbers up to down, and you see now the zeros are appearing in your list. And here what I see now, you see I have phone numbers. Once you try to type the phone numbers with the zeros as I did before, here you can see the 0 now. If before 7 disappears, and here down you can see there is no 0 that is appearing now. And to solve this also, you do the same. I selected all the numbers that I have here. I right click, I go to format cells, I go to custom, it was in general, and here I delete general. I delete general to put zeros before 7. Now, how many numbers do I have here in the phone number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9. It means I have to type more than 9 zeros to see a 0 appearing here before 7. I can just now type 0, you don't see it appearing. I can just keep on typing 0, 0, 0. Now you see a 0. 10 zeros. You type the number of zeros depending on the number that you have there up. If you put another zero, you can see more than one zero appearing here. You can see, you can delete. And then once I click OK, because now I already have a zero before 7. Once I click OK, you can see now every number is here with a zero. And this is the same for the country code. This is the same for the country code. I can just, for example, copy these numbers. So let me try to copy the numbers that I have here. I just did undo because I want the numbers without a zero, and I paste them here. Let me here try to put zeros that will here. Let me just select. I right click. I go to format cell. I go to custom. I go to general and I delete it. I do general and I put a 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now I have the zero. I have 0 before 7. I click OK. Now I have the numbers. Now this is this. I do the same for the country code. I select all the numbers that I have in the list. I right click. I go to format cells. I go to general to custom. I delete general. I delete general and I put a country code. Let me put 2 plus 2 5. This is a country code for Rwanda. Then just I put now plus 250. Now you can see the 0 here between 5 and 7 is not appearing. I just have to put other zeros as we did before. I did it here. Once the number of zeros become greater than the number that I have here, you can see a 0. And then here I click OK. You can see have a full country code. Guys, this is how we put zeros in our list in Microsoft Excel. Otherwise, you put a 0 and you just click the next, then you see the zero disappearing, or sometimes you use apostrophe. And it's stressful to put apostrophe anytime you're just going to type. If you have a very big list and you put apostrophe to every number, it will be very difficult. Once we put apostrophe, also can start with apostrophe and you type 0788, you can see here 0 will stay, and you can see here the apostrophe. To put apostrophe everywhere will be also a challenge. Guys, you keep enjoying my videos, keep just subscribing also to my YouTube channel and watch the videos that are very educative. And guys, see you next time.